What's up with y'all, man? You already know we got some more heat today. You already know. We're gonna keep it coming, Dave. We're gonna keep it coming real consistent. I got my man Ty in here in the cut with his Mantis. You hear me? Mantis X. 72 volt. What, like 10 kilowatt, man? Stop playing. I don't even, man. You already know how we coming. So yeah. Day number 2. Let's get it. Got the IN10. We got the Mantis X, man. Remember, it's my man Ty. Got my man Rawr on the cut. He not gonna pop, well, he might pop out today, I don't know. But yeah. Alright. Okay. Ooh, okay, my man getting active. Okay, I like it. See, that's why. Look.
Doing that cutout shit, bro.
Huh? It's doing it?
Shit,
you sure?
It might stop.
If you like get up to speed, maybe. Bro, I feel like you don't have so much rear brake right now because the shit you be doing, like the little stops. That's why.
I know.
That's why. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah. See that jump? Okay, my man. Oh yeah, we can act. We can act. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Zigzag type shit, bro.
Yeah, the
Straight.
The connection. It'll even just maybe do something different. Oh, look at, oh, he's holding that jump. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm like that. Hold up. Ah, oh, it let down. It let down. Oh, he's still dogging. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How much you pay for that black?
Whoa, about 3, 4.
4 for that?
Yeah, it go like 60.
Damn. How long does the battery last for? Like 2 to 3 hours, depending on how you ride. This has like 3 different modes. The top mode goes 50 miles an hour.
What bike you used to ride? I know you used to have out.
50.
Oh yeah, look, I'm already knowing. Look, I'm already knowing.
You go to Baltimore yet with that?
Nah. Look, he shot. Look, he shot. He be outside.
That's dope though, man.
Yeah.
Come with 2 batteries in case you want to switch it out.
Well, yeah, it's hot swappable.
That's fast.
Yeah, and this don't get up too. Nah, they about to get busy real quick. I gotta keep it going. I gotta keep it chopping. Woo! Oh my God. Oh, okay. When I lift my leg out, it don't do nothing. Oh shit. Oh, I'm learning. Hold on, cuz. Okay, I'm getting way better, boy. I'm getting way better, boy. Oh, I'm getting loose with this joint. Oh. Oh shit. Okay, I'm really dropping this joint. I just dropped this joint back. don't get me wrong, I'm getting steezy with this jump. Ooh. Y'all see how I could just pop this joint up now? And I could keep going. I stopped it and I kept going. I stopped it and I kept going. Did I embarrass myself? Oh yeah, they looking too. They looking too. Yeah. Hey, I did. At least I ain't embarrassed myself. Dragon, I had to get out the way of the I had to get out the way of the peoples real quick. Hey, I don't got no power. Y'all, before I embarrass myself, because I really don't got no power, y'all. I was really doing that. I was really doing that. No, that ain't it. Good brakes. Good brakes. It's like when I get it up there, I gotta keep tweaking that mug. I gotta keep tweaking it. I can't let it go down that one bit.